The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Duval County in south-central Texas, southwestern Jim Wells County in south-central Texas, southwestern Claiborne County in south-central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Concepcion, or 12 miles west of Fremont, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Fremont, Concepcion, La Gloria, Rios, and Cruz Conde. This includes U.S. Highway 281 between mile markers 688 and 708. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.